Okay, so today I'll show you on how to program a micrologic of this air circuit breaker of a Schneider. This is a micrologic 6.0p and it is rated 800 ampere frame. Okay. The first thing we do is to open this cover using a precision or a cutting blade. Okay, so let me start with the navigation buttons. We have 6 navigation buttons. This navigation button function is to display the current per phase that is drawing by the load. Okay, let's try to press. Okay, so the screen displays ABC and it has also a neutral if the breaker is purple. Okay, it displays the load current, and then pressing it again gives us the rated amperes of the load, the voltage, the kilowatt hour, and the frequency. Pressing this second button shows the history logs, the contacts, the MICROLOGIC setup, the metering setup, and the communication setup. Okay. Pressing this third button gives us the ampere protection, the voltage protection, and other protections such as current load shedding and power load shedding. Okay. Entering to the ampere protection, pressing this button twice shows us the long time, short time, and the instantaneous settings. It is 400 amperes per long time because our dial knob here is pointed at 0.5, which means 0.5 of this ampere frame, 800 amperes. That gives 400 amperes for the long time settings. And we have 4 seconds here because of our time is pointed at 4 seconds. Okay, to short time, our short time is 800 amperes because our setting is pointed at 2, which is twice of 400 amperes. This is our IR. That gives 800 amperes. And our time is 0.4 seconds because of this knob. It is pointed at 0.4 seconds. We have also the instantaneous 3.2 because we have a multiplier of 4. This one 4 times the ampere frame of the breaker, which is 800. That gives 3200 amperes as our instantaneous, and no time settings because that is instantaneous. And for the ground fault, we have a setting of that one, 160 amperes. As you can see, our ground fault is not given in percentage. but it is instead in letters. But per letter has an equivalent percentage. Letter A is 20% of the ampere frame of the breaker. This is the 800 amperes. That is why we have 160 amperes there. Okay. So if we try to change the settings from A to B, that gives 240%, because B is 30% of the ampere frame of the breaker. So every increment up to J, that is plus 10%. So J is 100%. Okay. And we have also a trip time delay, which is 0.1 seconds. As you can see from the screen, it is 0.1 seconds delay because of our settings at the dial knob is 0.1. It is pointed at 0.1. Okay. So that's it. Thank you.